Hello friends, welcome back to a new video on Oshawa old coins. The half-dollar coin has had a long and varied history, with different designs and compositions over the years. Here's a detailed history and context of the half-dollar coin for the years 1971, 1972, 1985, and 2023, along with their geographic context. The 2023 John F. Kennedy half-dollar coin is part of the U.S. Mint's ongoing series, which honors the 35th President of the United States, John F. Kennedy. Here's a short overview of its history, geography, mint mark, mintage, circulation, and uncirculated condition. History. The Kennedy half-dollar was first issued in 1964 following President Kennedy's assassination in 1963. It has been produced in various forms, including regular circulation coins and commemorative editions. Geography. Produced by the U.S. Mint, the coin is minted at multiple locations, including the Philadelphia Mint and the Denver Mint. Mint mark. The 2023 Kennedy half-dollar features mint marks such as D for Denver and P for Philadelphia. Coins minted in Philadelphia typically do not have a mint mark. Mintage. The 2023 half-dollar is produced in large quantities but is not widely circulated in day-to-day transactions, often being collected instead. Exact mintage figures for the year may vary but are typically released by the U.S. Mint at a later date. Circulation condition. Coins in circulation may show wear, with slight fading or scratches due to handling. Their value typically remains at face value unless they are part of a rare variation or error. In uncirculated condition, the coin is free from any signs of wear and retains its original shine and detail. These coins are often more valuable for collectors, especially if they are in pristine condition and kept in protective packaging. This coin is a tribute to Kennedy's legacy and continues to be popular among coin collectors today. The 1972 Kennedy half-dollar coin has an interesting history and a range of values based on its condition, proof, and minting details. Here's a comprehensive look at its history, geography, and value. Introduction of the Kennedy half-dollar. The Kennedy half-dollar was first introduced in 1964 to honor President John F. Kennedy after his assassination in 1963. The coin was initially struck in 90% silver but switched to copper-nickel composition in 1971 due to rising silver prices. 1972 design. The 1972 Kennedy half-dollar features the same design that has been used since the coin's introduction. Obverse, front, a portrait of President John F. Kennedy, designed by Gilroy Roberts. It includes the inscriptions Liberty, In God We Trust, and the year 1972. Reverse, back. The reverse features the presidential seal with an eagle holding an olive branch and arrows in its talons. The inscriptions are United States of America e pluribus unum and half-dollar. Mintage of 1972 half-dollars. The U.S. Mint produced a large number of 1972 Kennedy half-dollars as the coin was used in regular circulation at the time. Philadelphia Mint, no mint mark, 169,250,000 Denver Mint, D mint mark, 125,230,000 San Francisco Mint proof, 3,200,000. These numbers show a significant production, which impacts the scarcity and value of the coin today. The Philadelphia Mint was the primary producer of circulating coins during this era, hence the large mintage from that mint. The Denver Mint also contributed to the production, providing coins for circulation. San Francisco produced proof coins, which were specifically intended for collectors rather than for general circulation. The value of the 1972 Kennedy half-dollar is highly dependent on its condition and whether it's a proof coin. Mint state 6063, coins that show wear but are not heavily damaged. Value generally around $1 to $2. Mint state 6465, coins with slight imperfections but overall excellent detail. Value $4 to $6. Mint state 66 or higher, coins in near-perfect condition with sharp details. Value $10 or more, with the possibility of reaching higher prices for exceptional coins. Proof coins are specially made for collectors and have a mirrored finish. The 1972 proof coins are among the most sought after by collectors. Uncirculated proof coins. Generally, these are worth around $3 to $7, but higher grades may command more. Perfect proofs, PR70 or PR69. These can be valued at around $20 to $30 or even more for a top-tier proof. Some 1972 Kennedy half dollars have errors that can make them worth much more than the typical coin. Examples include doubled dies or minting errors, which can push their value into the hundreds or even thousands of dollars, depending on the rarity and condition. In terms of minimum value, a 1972 Kennedy half dollar, if found in circulation and in low to average condition, could be worth around $1 to $2. These coins are still relatively common and widely available. Proof coins, or high-grade uncirculated coins from 1972, however, can be worth more, with some reaching up to $10 or more. The 1972 Kennedy half dollar holds historical value due to its association with the commemoration of President Kennedy's legacy. While many of these coins are not worth a great deal in lower grades, higher grade proof or error coins can command significantly higher prices in the market. For collectors, the 1972 Kennedy half dollar remains a valuable piece of U.S. coinage, especially for those interested in modern proofs and high-quality mints. The 1971 Kennedy half dollar coin holds significant value in U.S. numismatics. Here's a brief breakdown of its history, geography, circulation, and value. Introduced. The Kennedy half dollar was introduced in 1964 following President John F. Kennedy's assassination in 1963. 1971 changes. The 1971 coin marked the first year the Kennedy half dollar was struck in copper-nickel clad rather than the previous 90% silver composition. Design. The obverse features a profile of Kennedy, while the reverse shows the presidential seal, designed by Frank Gasparo. Mint locations. The coin was minted at the Philadelphia, Denver, and San Francisco mints. Circulation. Primarily circulated in the U.S., though less commonly found in pocket change today due to its limited use after the 1970s. Philadelphia, no mint mark, 155,722,000. Denver, D mint mark, 139,005. Francisco, S mint mark, 3,988,000. Proofs only. Circulated condition. In typical circulated condition, the 1971 half dollar has a value close to its face value, 50 cents or slightly more, depending on where. Uncirculated condition. In mint state MS, its value rises to $1 to $2. Proof coin. The 1971 San Francisco proof coin struck with a higher quality finish typically ranges from $4 to $8. Mint sets. Mint sets from 1971 with the half dollar are worth more due to their pristine quality, generally valued at $10 to $15 for the set. The proof version, S mint mark, is generally more sought after by collectors and is valued higher than the regular circulation strikes, especially if in pristine condition. Year of minting, 1971. Composition, copper-nickel clad. Mintage, 299,210,000. Value, typically ranges from face value to $8 depending on the condition, proof coins being the most valuable. The 1985 coin is part of the continued issuance of the Kennedy half dollar. By the 1980s, the coin had ceased circulating widely and became more of a collector's item. Production of the Kennedy half dollar in this era was primarily for numismatic purposes, i.e., proof and uncirculated coins, as it wasn't commonly used in regular commerce. The 1985 Kennedy half dollar was minted at 3 different locations. Philadelphia Mint, no mint mark. This is where the standard circulation quality coins were struck. Denver Mint, D mint mark. Coins minted here were also primarily for circulation. San Francisco Mint, S mint mark. Coins minted here were primarily proof coins intended for collectors and often with a higher quality strike. Mintage and availability. The Kennedy half dollar was made in large quantities at the Philadelphia and Denver mints, but only a small number were minted at the San Francisco Mint. The S mint marked coins are typically more sought after by collectors for their higher quality strike, as they were often proof coins. The 1985 Kennedy half dollar was produced in a variety of conditions. The most important factors in determining its value include its grade, condition, whether it's a proof or an uncirculated coin, and the mint mark. Philadelphia Mint, no mint mark on the coin. Denver Mint, D mint mark. San Francisco Mint, S mint mark, typically for proof coins. The value of a coin depends on its grade, which can range from good to mint state. For collectors, coins in higher grades, especially those in proof condition or mint state, are more valuable. The main grading categories are good, G, These coins have heavy wear, and most of the design details are worn down. Fine, F. These coins have moderate wear, but the basic features are still discernible. Very fine. Coins in this category show more details, but still have some wear. Extremely fine, F. The coin shows only minimal wear, with most details still visible. About uncirculated, AU. Coins in this category show only minor wear on the high points. Uncirculated, MS60 to MS70. These coins show no wear and are in perfect or near-perfect condition. Proof coins, 69 or PR70, these coins are specially made for collectors and have a mirrored finish and sharp details. Proof coins are generally higher quality than standard coins and are more valuable. Circulated coins. These coins are often worth their face value, 50s, unless they are in very good condition or have been misstruck. Uncirculated coins. If the coin is in excellent condition, it may be worth slightly more than face value, typically around $1 to $2. Proof coins. Proof coins minted at the San Francisco Mint in particular are highly valued by collectors, and they can range from $5 to $20 depending on the quality. Varieties of 1985 Kennedy half dollar. Most 1985 coins are fairly standard, but collectors sometimes look for specific errors such as double strikes or misprints, which can increase the coin's value. The 1985 Kennedy half dollar was produced in large quantities at the three mints. Philadelphia, no mint mark, approximately 3,000 coins were minted. Denver, D mint mark, approximately 10,000 coins were minted. San Francisco, S mint mark. Proof coins produced at San Francisco totaled around 3,400,000. Numismatic interest? Most 1985 Kennedy half dollars are not worth much above their face value unless they are in high grade, such as proof coins or high-quality uncirculated versions. Proof coins. These are much more popular with collectors, and coins from the San Francisco Mint can fetch higher prices due to their limited production and special finish. Commemorative interest. As with many coins featuring iconic U.S. figures like President Kennedy, the coin holds intrinsic value as a part of U.S. history, particularly for those interested in presidential memorabilia. While the 1985 Kennedy half dollar is an interesting piece of U.S. coinage, its monetary value typically doesn't exceed its face value unless it is in an exceptional grade, like proof or mint state condition. However, it still holds historical significance as part of the Kennedy half dollar series, which is beloved by collectors. Its value is influenced largely by its condition, mint mark, and demand among collectors.